My name is Amanda Gruen. I'm the director of the Family Birthplace here at DePaul. Our main focus was to ensure that we provided care to our patients that was patient-centered and that we were able to build relationships with the ultimate goal of mom and baby staying in the room and building that bonding together. We wanted to ensure that we created an environment for mom that was calm and soothing and that she felt like she was in the comfort of her own home. We wanted it to feel spa-like for our moms, and the feedback that we've received so far is that it's a calming, relaxing atmosphere.
I'm Dr. Carolyn Pryor, and I serve as Medical Director of Maternal Services for SSM Health. At the time of admission, our moms and families are placed in the birth suites where the mom labors, she delivers, and she recovers. The nursery is absolutely beautiful. It has been completely relocated. It is now close to our moms' rooms, so they have easier access. We also have some private rooms for those babies that require special care and require an extended hospital stay. So moms and families are actually able to stay in the babies' rooms.
Our team here at SSM Health DePaul Hospital is a talented team. They are committed to ensuring that they provide an exceptional experience for our moms and our babies. And many of our staff live in the community in which we serve, and that's important for them to ensure that they are giving back to their community.
We want to make sure that we are present for our patients. That means that we listen to them, we listen to their families, we address their concerns, we even hold their hand or give them a hug when they need it to make sure that they have the best experience possible when they're bringing their new family member into this world.